Hi, my name is Sandesh Bharade. My group members are Ankit Dubey and Ashutosh Mahadik. We are from the Jhil College of Engineering. Today, I am going to present an placement app which will be immensely helpful for everyone looking to get place in any company. Using Java, we create a placement app. So, what is this placement app?
Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh Mahadik. I am explain the objectives and features of placement app. The main objectives of the placement app is to manage the details of training, students, technical skills, placement and placement cell. It manages all the information about training, CGPMR and placement cell. The project is totally built at administrative end, thus only administrator is access. The purpose of the project is to build an application program to reduce the manual work for managing the training, student, CGPMR and technical skills. It tracks all the details about the technical skills, placement and placement cell. This project provides efficient and effective ways of communication between student and training and placement cell. Now we are talking about some main objectives. It is user-friendly interface. It is easy to access. Easy to modification means student can update their profile and information at any time. It provides security. It is time-saving and easy to operate. Now we are talking about some features of placement app. First, it provides the searching facilities based on various factors such as training, technical skills, placement and placement cell. Second, it tracks all the information of student, CGPMR and placement. Third, manage the information of student and training. Fourth, it generates the report on training, student and CGPMR. Fifth, to increase the efficiency of managing the training and student. Sixth, editing, adding and updating the record is improved which result in proper sources management of training data. Seventh, manage information of placement. Eighth, integration of all records of placement cell. This is the part of features. Now next we are talking about module. There are mainly two types of module. First is student module, second administrator module. These modules are explained by Ankit Dubey.
Hello everyone, I am Ankit Dubey. Let's discuss about the modules. So as you know, this is a placement app. We have two modules. First one is student module for the students and second one is administrator modules for the admins and administrators. Firstly, let's understand about the student module. It consists of various services like announcement, search jobs, vacancies, edit CV or etc. Firstly, we see announcement service. This service provides the user to see the available jobs, internships and announcement related to the particular jobs which is made by admin for the students or intern. Second one is search job. So as the name suggests, it is for searching a particular job according to the skills respectively. Next is about vacancy and opportunities. This service provides the user to see the overall records of jobs and can apply from here. Also services like edit CV or resume is there. It is present for the user to edit or enhance their CV for getting better job opportunities. Next, help and suggestion. This service provides the user to give any suggestion to the admins or administrators. Next we have study corner. So this service provides the user to study the materials and prepare accordingly which is uploaded by the admin, which will surely help the students for getting their job or cracking the interviews. Now let's move to the administrator module. In this module, features like announcement, upload materials, reply feedback, etc. is there. So let's discuss about the announcement service. It is there for allowing the administrator to add or insert an event and provide the information. Next is upload and update material. In the student module, we have already seen the student material feature. So that study material is uploaded here by the admin for the students to prepare for the job. Next, let's talk about our next service which is vacancies. This allows the administrator to give the information about the number of vacancies left in their companies respectively. Also, we have reply feedback, which allows the administrator to give the answers of the question being asked by the user. Next is accepted application history. As the name suggests, it shows all those applications of the students that are being accepted. I hope all of you understand these modules. Thank you.
Firstly, we understand the code of project. This is the inheritance of class validation. This class causes ID to identify. After that, we create some interface references and all are private because of security purposes. After that, we create setup of login form. In login form, we create two views. First is email view and another is password view. If user can type correct email and password, then and then they can sign in. If user type wrong password, then user can't sign in. Then user taken one message that this password is incorrect. Also in that program, some classes are created for admin panel, user panel and also for registration panel. In left side, this is all the file structure of the app. In this structure, in app, in src, in main, in res, in layout, this is all the activity what we have done. This first layout is create resume. Then there is main layout, then there is validation layout, then there is create resume layout, then there is register, and then there is fragment layout to create this homepage page. Now I run this program. Okay, program is successfully run. This is the home page of our app. In home page, there are two panels. First panel is student panel and second panel is admin or TPO panel. In student panel, we can log in using username and password. And also in admin panel, we can log in using username and password. If you forgot a password, then we can change the password using email ID. And this is the registration. We can register using username, password, email ID, mobile number, location, highest qualification, course, and also we create a resume. We can give any name of that and also details. Then we can submit it. After we submit it, then HR of any companies can open the app and they can sign in TPO panel and they can see all the student data wherever it's job seekers. It makes sense that this app is not only useful for seeker but also useful for recruiters. This is all about our app. Thank you.